How to set up Facebook ads for local business step by step in this video here on your browser. Step 1 is step by step attract nearby customers with targeted Facebook ads. Whether you can run a coffee shop, salon or gym clinic or a local service, Facebook ads can help you reach people near your location and turn them into customers. Set up your Facebook business page if you have not already. Go to the facebookbusiness.com here. Choose the right category for your page. Add your address, business hours, phone number, and website. Upload a profile pic, cover photo, and about information as of your company. Go to the Ads Manager and click on Create option. Visit Facebook Ads Manager and click Create to launch a new campaign from there. Choose one of these objectives based on your goal. Store traffic, leads, messages, and engagements. You can read all the details about it in messages for great appointment engagement to build local brand awareness or boost event attendance. Step 3 will be set local targeting in the ad set. At the ad set level, under audience, click the edit location, type your business address, and set a radius about 5 to 10 miles away. Narrow by age, gender, and interest if relevant, language if your audience is multilingual. Example, woman aged 25 to 45 within 5 miles of downtime, Miami, interested in yoga. Set budget and schedule. Daily budget start with $10 to $20 a day. Run ads during business hours to set like 24 into 7. Step 5 will be create the ad. Choose your favorite ad format, image, video, or carousel. Then add it a strong primary text, a clear headline, what's the hook, a call to action that is CTA, call now, book appointment, get direction, message us, or many more. Example ad will be craving pizza. Stop by Mario's Pizzeria in the East Village. Get 15% off on your first order today. Step 6 is track result. In Ads Manager, monitor impression, reach, clicks, messages or calls, cost per result, or this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.